How to get your stubborn ex back. You've tried everything, talking about your feelings, promising to change, and doing all you can, but she won't budge. Don't worry. You can shift the way she sees you and make her want you back. Step 1. Stop chasing. This doesn't mean you should disappear for 30 or 60 days. That won't help. Instead, stop acting desperate. When a woman feels a man is begging, she sees weakness, not love. She wants confidence, not desperation. Think about this. If a woman begged you to take her back, doing everything you asked, some men might feel powerful. But women don't work that way. Begging turns them off. Instead of making her feel pressured, you need to make her feel drawn to you again. Step 2. Improve yourself while giving space. Cutting off contact isn't enough. If you don't change, she won't see a reason to come back. Use this time to improve. Were you too sensitive? Work on emotional strength. Did you take her for granted? Learn to be more caring. Change from the inside. It must be real, not an act. Women can tell when someone is being fake. If she left because you weren't treating her right, she won't believe you just because you say you've changed. She will feel it when it's real. Step 3. Make her feel attracted again instead of proving yourself. Focus on becoming the man she was once drawn to. Be emotionally strong, have a sense of humor, and don't rely on her to make you feel happy. The more independent and confident you are, the more she will naturally start wondering about you again. Women don't reject men to be difficult. It's instinct. If a man is desperate, she pulls away. If he's confident, she leans in. So stop chasing. Work on yourself. And when she sees the change, she may want you back on her own.